Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and download and install Telemundo on your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, let me make it clear that you can do this on both your Android or iOS devices. So let's just get straight into it. So first of all you want to do is simply go ahead and open App Store on your iOS device or Play Store on your Android device and simply go ahead to the search bar and search for Telemundo, just like I'm doing. And once you've done that, simply go ahead and tap on this application. There's going to be a download icon there, right over there where the open button is, and simply go ahead and tap on the download icon. It's going to go ahead and download and install onto your mobile device. And finally, once that is done, you can simply tap on open. And now from here, you can simply go ahead and enjoy your shows. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.